Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, girl. Good morning. Ew! Ew! You're so gross. Fabio. Lisa, are you ready to go pees outside? Do you want to go pees? Let's go. You guys want to go outside too? Oh. Okay, so not yet, kitties. Wow. Let's go. Woo! Let's go pees. Go pee-pee shoe. Go pee-pee shoe. Good girl. Go around. Come here! Come here! Good girl! Wow! Good girl. He ran. I love you. Beautiful. Talent. Wow! She ran so hard that she broke the harness. Bilski, are you ready to go to pees? And to feed the cats and have some cat food because you're a cat? It's good. Okay, this is hard to film and hold this and not drop. Okay. Let's go pees and feed the cats. Go pees. Yes. Good girl. You're the cat food. She loves cat food so much. She's not allowed off leash because she would run far away and we'd never get her back. Sheep. This is hilarious because normally that cat food container's in the little house and they put it out like, we're out of food, Charlotte, give us more. The sass. Whoa, holy crap. Ah, she wanted food. Oh no. Bisky! Bisky! Oh no. I drop-eat. Wow! Come on! Biscuit! Biscuit! You really give it. Let go. Let go. Okay. See, that's not yours. No. Sit down. Bad! Go poo! Oh no! Now she's fixated. Holy crap. Okay, go poo, Bisky. Go to pools. Silly girl. Bisky just had the largest, grossest, stinkiest poo I've ever seen. How did that come out of her tiny body? No, Bisky, she always pulls. She doesn't want to see them, but then she does, and I just get confused. Okay, good girl. Okay. See, when you're in here, you get to go off the leash. Sorry it's like this poopy, but we're gonna clean it soon. Okay, pardon me, Biscuit butt. There's their feet. Oh my God, that metal is cold on my hand. There they are. Examining the area. Good thing Biscuit isn't an Akita Inu. Let's capture you. Let's see if I can. Oh, she's hurting them. Okay. Come on, Biscuit baby. No, Princess, you're not going to eat the chickens. Come on, Biscuit. Okay, time to go in. Okay, my camera's viewfinder is destroyed, so I can't even see my face just here down. That's okay. We don't need to see me. Okay, next thing I do for the breakfast, do for morning routine. So I'm gonna fill up my water here with some lime water, and then I'm going to get the doggos their food because they eat first. I've also already turned on the coffee. Yeah, I did that when I was walking by to take them out.
Alright, babies, here's your food. There's your food. There you go. There's yours, Bisou. Biscuit. Here's your food. Good girl. Eat your food, Bisou. You can eat. Food. Look it, all gone. And Biscuit's is almost all gone. Good job, girls. Great job. Oh, I love yous. Okay, checking my air garden because I literally do every morning. I'm not just bragging, I promise. My lettuce is growing really well. I keep trying to replant some things here. My chives. I also planted some collard greens in there because I don't know if the chives are ever gonna freaking take. And then my mint over here. It's just a hair, so no, it's still not growing. But I have basil, spinach, lettuce, dill, lettuce. The lettuce is growing so well. Hey guys, so now it's time to do the laundry. It smells like pee because my dogs peed on the pee pad overnight. You see me? So time to do laundry. Here I'm using a recyclable bottle of laundry detergent because soap nuts just don't get pee out, but this does. So this one is a clear plastic, so it's the most recyclable possible. And it's orange scent, so I have that. Then I add 5 drops of thyme oil, 3, 4, 5, to make it antibacterial since there's pee. On my dog's cloth pee pads. We use cloth ones, we don't use paper ones, which is awesome for quarantine because you don't have to go to the store and buy more, you just wash them. Okay, now it's coffee time. This is just a coffee cup from yesterday. Here's some of my stevia I'm going to use. It's solely just stevia, not like the other mixed stuff. And we put just a tiny scoop of it in. And then we pour the coffee, yay. And I get my oat milk, which honestly, I don't like oat milk, but it's all I had time to make because I needed it for recipe. So it just is slimy, like, and it separates. I don't know, I'm bullying it. And I stir. But see, it doesn't even make it that creamy. Almond milk, hazelnut milk is much better in my opinion, but this is what we have today. And I've drank my liter of water, so now I'm gonna just fill it up again because I got my lime and my water and now I need more. Yay. Are you chewing on the recycling? Okay, Biju's playing with the recycling, but last night I made Biju, bish, bish. Thank you.
I made some raw granola, raw sprouted buckwheat granola. So let's get it out because I might have it for breakfast. Wow, beautiful. I used Holistic Habits recipe. Oh, it's really nice. It's perfect. I've made this one before. Oh my God, it's good. Okay, let's grab it. Here it is, all of my granola. Should I have it for breakfast? Honestly, I want a smoothie though, so. But I made it. It's beautiful. Okay guys, here I am, and for breakfast, I am gonna have the granola. And I'm gonna make some for my mom too, because I want her to try it. And what's nice about this granola is it's not super sharp. So like when you put it in milk, it's not super sharp. It's just nice, so it's not hard on your gums and teeth and stuff, which is why my mom doesn't actually usually like granola. So she's gonna like mine. Yay! So here I have 2 bowls, and I'm also gonna put frozen raspberries on it. And then the oat milk. Yay. Okay. Also, this is an old pickle jar, but we're using it for granola. And I feel bad that I actually had to buy these frozen raspberries because I got a bunch in bulk when I was in Vancouver from the bulk store that are local BC raspberries. But these I bought in the meantime because I really like them, like on top of cereal and stuff. But my bulk ones are coming in, and in the summer I'm gonna freeze a bunch of local raspberries so I don't have to buy plastic bagged ones in the summer, in the winter. You guys see the bowl? Fun. All right, now I'm gonna make some coffee. So I think I'm gonna make 6 cups. So I don't think I need more than that. I'm showing you guys this because you get to see me use my reusable cloth coffee filter. And this is actually great for quarantine as well. A lot of reusable stuff is, because then you don't have to buy paper ones. So we still have some paper ones, but with this, even if we ran out and we like couldn't go to the store, we fine because we got the cloth one. So yeah, gonna make 6 cups.
Bijou Queen is lying with me while I have my 2nd cup of coffee. She's such an angel. Wow. You're beautiful, Bijou. You're perfect.
Okay, so now before I take the dogs on their activity, time to brush my teeth. I have an electric toothbrush, and this is tooth powder that I use. It's actually not this brand because they don't sell it anymore. It's a different brand. I'll try to link it in Amazon. Anyways, I got this refill from a refill store. Oh, the laundry is just finished. Yay, I was hoping it worked that way. So I'm gonna put that in the dryer before I go on the run. But yes, just gonna brush my teeth with this tooth powder. It's awesome, fluoride free, and is just like honestly stronger than regular toothpaste. Like it works better. So that needs to look cuter. My obsession with things. Okay, see you guys.
Bijou, are you excited to go on a run? Do you want to go on a run? A run? Oh, you're gonna go on a run! Wow! Bilsky, you get to go on a run too. You get to go on your run. Good girl. Good girl.
So I have to outfit too. In my running leggings and my running top. And then I put on my mountain climbing harness. Not because we're climbing mountains, but because Bijou is as strong as a mountain and pulls like crazy. Oh, he went different. And this distributes the weight properly. So yeah, I just use a cheap mountain climbing harness. As you can see here. It's a blue one. Put it kind of around my hips. Not down too much, not up too much, because then it's hard on my back. And yeah, basically, that's the running mood. Then I have my leash, and it has the dual leash, one for Bijou, one for Bisky. I give Bisky the longer one so she can escape from Jou. Bijou's trying to herd her anywhere. And there we go, let's go on the run. Ruining my run by getting a quick video. We're halfway through the run. Here they are. Here we are. Let's go, guys. Woo! Another pause for Bisky to poo and for Bijou to have fun in the water. I'm tired, but we're running really freaking fast. Whew. Just finished our run. Our overall pace was 7:57 minute mile. That's with me pausing for when Bijou went in the water. But we did really good. Proud. Yeah, that's it. The run went well. Letting the air dry my sweaty hair. So normally I'd shower after this, but I'm going to see my dad today for Easter with my sister, and we're gonna go out in the bush and stuff, so there's no point to shower because I'm just gonna go in the bush again. So not gonna shower, but yeah, that is almost all there's to my morning routine. I am gonna make a smoothie though for lunch, so it's 11:30 right now a.m. I woke up at 8:45. And I don't think I said. We'll probably make a smoothie when it's time to go, so around 12, so I can drink that while we are driving to my dad's, because it's like an hour and a half drive. And then I am, yeah, so right now, I'm just gonna stay in my outfit even though I'm sweaty and gross, because I'm gonna get more sweaty and gross in the bush. So we are going to make spruce tips gum, which I'm really excited. Spruce gum with like from the spruce tips, so I'm really excited to do that. I'm literally so pumped because it's like a zero waste and healthy version of gum. I'm just literally so thrilled for that. So really excited to do that. But yeah, otherwise, I'm gonna go brainstorm some stuff for YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go brainstorm like some ideas for YouTube videos, maybe work on my music a bit in the next half hour, wash my face, I will do that. And then that's pretty much it for my morning routine, guys. But yeah, I won't show my smoothie. This is probably good for a morning routine. But that's, yeah, how basically every morning has been for me. My quarantine morning routine, that's what I've been doing. And yeah, hopefully, oh, there we go, nicer lighting. Hopefully that inspired you guys. And just to show you what it's like me living in the country on 40 acres, isolated already, but this is my life in isolation. And this is what I've been doing basically every morning. So normally I'd have this smoothie first thing in the morning though. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe in isolation. And if you aren't able to like leave your apartment or home, hopefully this helped you feel more free, if that makes sense. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Happy Easter, happy Passover, happy weekend if you don't celebrate any of that. And yeah, just have a good weekend, guys. Okay, stay safe. Bye.